Hi everyone, today I'm making back here. We're going to make this privacy screen slash pool pump cover. Alright, so the first thing I need to do is clean up and mill up these boards. They're rough sawn when I bought them, so I'm going to run them through the thicknesser just to smooth both sides, and then run them through the table saw to get 2 slats out of each. Now, originally the slats were meant to be 50 millimeters wide, but these boards are only 100 millimeters, so minus the saw kerf, I'm just going to get them as wide as I can, removing the rough sawn edges and the split down the middle as well. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like rating down below. Maybe hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think of the privacy screen. You can also follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and I'll have links to those down below. And I'll see you next time.